Hello everyone. I am Ayush Mohanty representing JCoders, here to give a presentation on our website called Loot Magnet and to show you all how it works. Before starting, I would like to thank Shark Hacks to give us the opportunity to showcase our website. Starting with the starting with the topics to be covered. Why Loot Magnet? Loot Magnet for whom? And how Loot Magnet works. The first question which would have come to your mind is why this website? In today's world, most of the people shop when the sales are on, which shows that people want everything in a lesser price. People want discounted quality product which is sold in a less price. And here comes the usefulness of our website, Loot Magnet. People mostly get confused, and it is also not possible to check the stores again and again if the sales are on or not. So, by registering into this, it will inform the customers about the sales which are currently going on in various stores. Very nicely said by someone. If we want customers, we should start our journey by putting up a sale. Now comes the most important question. How does Loot Magnet works? We have two aspects here in our website. First is the seller and other is the customer. Seller gives its product details on our website, the products which are on sale. The customer will receive a text message regarding the discount and the deals. All the updates regarding the deals and the offers will be sent to them at the end of the week. These are the technology used by our website. Angular, it is a platform and framework for building single page client application using HTML and TypeScript. CockroachDB is a distributed SQL database which is well suited for application that are reliable, available, and collect data and millisecond response time regardless of scale. Twilio, it is an API to send and receive SMS, MMS, OTT messages globally. And lastly, Node.js, it is a useful tool to build fast and scalable server-side networking application. Without wasting any time, let's move to the demo section. So this is the homepage of our website, Loot Magnet. In this section, the customer has to add his phone number with the country code like this. We have added this on. Yeah, user added. This means that when a customers want to avail our offers, deals, the advantages of our website, then he or she has to just add their phone number, and the work is over. All the SMS regarding the offers and all will be sent to their respective phone number as a SMS. And the second aspect of our website is this. This is the section for the seller. The seller has to add its email address here, add a title for its product and the description. Yeah, added successfully. Every time a seller wants its products to be published here, they can add their email address, add a title and description. This Yeah, this is the admin section where as developers we will receive the messages of the requests that have been put by the seller, and we will approve that. If all will be correct, then we will just verify it. And if we find that something is like fake or wrong, then we can also decline it. Yeah, if we verify, then the here, then it will be shown in this weekly deal section where customers can avail the offers. And if we decline this, nothing will be shown here. So due to lack of time, we have planned to add admin authentication further, and also we will target the subscribers geographically. We will see if the customers are in the places they are having the sellers near around them. According to that, we will provide them the deals. These two we have planned that we will further develop in this our website. Thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience faced. Actually, I just left one more thing in our website. This is the send message. Uh, user they mostly they will visit once or twice. They cannot. This is not actually possible that they will check this website for weekly for regular basis. So from our point of view, we will send them messages regarding the weekly deals. Uh, and they will get a message in their phone number through text message. There they can get the link of the deals and can avail them. Thank you. That's it.